Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you dream of earning a passive income that allows you to live life on your terms? Well, I have some exciting news for you. With just your email list, you can start earning $100 per day, and I'm here to show you how. Imagine earning $3,000 per month without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I have personally achieved this level of success with my email list, and I want to share my secrets with you. By following my proven strategies, you too can start generating a passive income that will change your life. The first step is to build your email list. But not just any list, a high-quality list that is filled with engaged and interested subscribers. I will teach you how to attract 100 opt-ins per day, ensuring that your list grows rapidly and consistently. With a large and responsive audience, you will have the power to generate substantial income. Do you want to know how? Click the link above or below in the description and get free access to the first video of this course. Just get started now.